Hello student, today we are going to talk about the concept of heat. In thermodynamics, it is denoted by Q. As usual, you know that heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Here are two terms in the thermodynamics, that is system and surrounding. Suppose your body is the system and atmosphere is the surrounding. The energy is transformed from system to the surrounding or from surrounding to the system. Why? Due to the temperature difference. Due to the temperature difference. Therefore, heat is a form of energy and it may be transmitted from surrounding to the system or system to the surrounding, and this form of energy is nothing but heat. In thermodynamics, when energy is transferred to the system from the surrounding, then it is taken as positive. Surrounding to system, Q is positive, and for system to surrounding, it is negative. Therefore, you must aware that the path of transfer of heat, it may be from system to surrounding or from surrounding to system. Therefore, you must know the sign convection also. This is the concept of heat regarding to thermodynamics. Now, the students, our second topic is concept of heat. After concept of heat, the concept of work done. In thermodynamics, the concept of work done, as usual, as you know that the work is said to be done by a force when force is applied on the body and the body is displaced in the direction of force. But here we study in the same term of system and surrounding. In thermodynamics, work is said to be done when a force is applied and the body or the system moves through a distance. Now here, for understanding the concept, we have an example. Here is a cylinder having a conducting wall. A gas is filled and it makes a system. And here is a frictionless piston. When the gas applied the pressure on the piston and the piston having the area A and it displaces through a distance dx, then we can calculate the work done by the system. When the piston is compressed inside, then work done is said to be on the system. Therefore, both are different and you must aware about that. Work is done by the system or work is done on the system. Now we are considering a frictionless piston of a cylinder. Now, the walls is perfectly conducting because both the temperature of gas and surrounding are taken as thermal equilibrium. Now, if force is applied and pressure will be exerted, then small work done can be written as dW is equal to F dx. Here F is the force applied, dx is the distance moved by the piston. Very small distance and very small work done. And as usual you know that F is equal to P into area of piston and the distance. And this is nothing but work done, dW. And A into dx, that is area into distance, this become volume. Therefore, dW can be written as PdV, because area and distance comes together to form dV. This is the small work done, and for total work done we require to integrate it. dW from where to where? That is from initial volume to final volume, PdV. Now dW, integrating the dW, we got W is equal to P, integration only applied on volume, that is dV. Therefore, work done is equal to PV, and from upper limit to lower limit it can be integrated, and with W is equal to PVF minus VI, that is final volume minus initial volume, and this is change in volume. This is the work done by the system. If piston is compressed, then work done on the system, and for compression work done must be negative, that is P minus P Vf minus Vi. Therefore, work done in thermodynamics have the same meaning as usual, but here is the concept of surrounding and system. Therefore, work done by the system, work done by the system are gas taken as positive, whereas the work done on the system or gas by the surrounding is taken as negative. Therefore, here is the sign convection of work done also. And this is the concept of work done in thermodynamics.